Plant-based tick repellents can reduce tick host encounters when used as part of a layered yard management plan. Use concentrated cedar oil or garlic-based yard sprays as the botanical core of a do-it-yourself repellent, applying them to perimeter vegetation and leaf litter during peak tick season about every 7 to 14 days or after heavy rain. Dilute cedar oil to 1 to 3% in a carrier oil or water with an appropriate emulsifier so it disperses evenly, and make garlic sprays by steeping crushed garlic in warm water for 24 hours, then straining before diluting to avoid phytotoxicity. Rotate active botanicals every 2 to 3 weeks to limit habituation where possible by alternating cedar oil with rosemary or lemon eucalyptus-derived formulations while observing plant sensitivity on ornamental species. For application, use a handheld pump sprayer with a jet nozzle for low vegetation and a cone nozzle for dense shrubbery to ensure coverage without runoff into waterways. Combine botanical sprays with host management by discouraging deer and rodent activity through secure composting, removing birdseed that attracts small mammals, and installing a 3-foot-tall barrier of wood chip or gravel between lawn and wooded edges to reduce tick migration. Regular mowing to maintain grass under 3 inches and systematic reduction of leaf litter and brush in high-use areas lowers humidity and microhabitats ticks need to survive, making repellents more effective. If local tick-borne disease incidence is elevated, supplement plant-based tactics with targeted perimeter treatments using Environmental Protection Agency registered products on the immediate property boundary while minimizing broadcast applications. Common mistakes include assuming a single spray will provide season-long protection, which it will not, apply botanicals at recommended intervals, and after rain for consistent effect. Another issue is over-concentrating homemade formulations which can burn plants or repel beneficial insects. Follow dilution ranges and test on a small area of sensitive plants first. People also often neglect habitat fixes and rely only on sprays, pair repellents with host management, mowing, leaf litter removal, and physical barriers to reduce tick encounters more reliably. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides practical homeowner-to-homeowner discussions about landscape pest control and sustainable yard practices. We help contractors find work and homeowners find experienced neighbors, sharing real-world results in our community forums.